What's up, everybody? In this video, we are going to learn how to use a slide switch to turn on and off the motors from the motor driver circuit. The slide switch will help you when you are working with your robot. With the switch off, you can upload code until you are ready for the robot to move. Flip the switch and it will go. The switch will be controlled mechanically, meaning that we will use the switch to interrupt the flow of electrons from our battery pack to the rest of our circuit. Start off by logging into Tinkercad using your course username. Select Circuits in the menu under your designs. You will see our motor driver circuit that we made in an earlier video. Hover over the circuit and click on the Tinker This in the top left-hand corner. Select a slide switch from the components and add it to the artboard. If you recall from an earlier video, a slide switch has a common terminal that is shared with both sides. When you move the switch to either side, you complete the connection to that terminal. Remember, when we created a mechanical switch in an earlier video, we looked for a wire that supplied power directly to our circuit. This is the wire that we want to interrupt with the switch. We will use the power wire from the battery pack for this. Click on the power wire that is connected to the battery and move the connection to one of the terminals on the switch. Next, connect the common middle pin to the plus on the battery pack. Great! Click on Start Simulation. When the switch is flipped towards the terminal we connected to the motor driver, you will see the motors move. When we flip the switch to the other side, the motors stop. One other thing to remember, the on-off switch will cut power from the battery pack. This is an external power source that will enable us to keep running the Arduino without the need of a USB cable. If you have your Arduino plugged in with a USB, it will still function and run and execute code. At the end of this video, you should have a better understanding of how to create an on-off switch to control the power to a motor driver circuit.